We're here in Elkin, North Carolina, downtown Elkin, right off the Yadkin River. Big Elkin Creek is actually what this is. We've got a retaining wall about 18 foot tall that has over 396 inch block. It was right at 300 foot long too.
So for this project, there was multiple issues that the town was facing. They were having quite a bit of flooding issues. Channelization was lacking. The highway embankment for the road here through town was eroded away. They were in danger of losing the road and then part of their commercial district. As we began in the design phase and working with the stream engineers, we realized that we were going to need a pretty vertical wall system to help with the flooding. Based on the proximity to the highway, we were unable to, again, use a tieback system. So I was able to reach out to Redi-Rock, get with them, send some survey data over, get a wall designed that would meet their need. We're going to need to be about 18 foot vertical. So that was what we were able to design with Redi-Rock to get them an 18 foot vertical wall that would withstand the channelization and anytime the flooding, which on average is about 2 to 3 times a year that they face flooding through this area. Due to the number of blocks that were going to be needed here, the blocks started to be delivered 2 months prior to construction. We were able to get the block from Christopher King. He was able to get us in touch with his engineer that does the wall as well. So it was a really seamless project in working with Redi-Rock throughout the whole process, and Chris was fantastic. He has been on all of our walls that we've done. We only had 45 days to complete it. The high school is located about a quarter mile from the job site. It had to be done while they were out of school. So as we're wrapping up in September of 2024, we're getting everything taken care of. We finished Wednesday, September the 25th with all of our construction here. So on the 27th of September, Hurricane Helene ripped through the western part of North Carolina here. We took historic flooding. It was considered by many to be about a 1,000-year storm event. The wall was approximately 7 feet underwater by the time Helene had moved through. So the wall was completely submerged by about 7 feet. The waters receded the following week, and we were able to see that no damage to the wall had occurred and no loss of material had occurred behind the wall, between the wall and the roadway.
There was a lot of anxiety waiting for the water to recede. And there was actually no damage, no settling, nothing to the wall. It was in perfect shape and we were all ecstatic.
Yes, so we're here about 6 months after the hurricane went through. The grass has been able to grow back, walls still functioning properly, storm water's functioning, channelization has been able to reoccur. They have had one flood event since, not to the magnitude of the hurricane, but in that flood event, again, no damages have been noted. Everything's functioning. Town is very pleased with the product. Everything that this wall has had to go through in the last 6 months, and knowing that what we used the product for, which was to stabilize the channel and to stabilize the roadway for the town for continued use, I fully trust Redi-Rock. It has been a great product in this situation. In all situations we've used it, it has done exactly what we've asked it to do. Couldn't trust it anymore. It's been great.